Hello friends, how are you? Uh, you already know that I am a Mi Band Fit user and I have been using this Mi Band for the last 3 years, and today I am going to give my last used Mi Band 6 for the sake of upgradation to my brother, and I have to install Zep Life, the Mi Band companion app, on his mobile. So why not filming the all procedures? Let's walk through. At first you need to go to Play Store, search for Zep Life, which is Mi Band companion app. This app has already been installed in my device. So open the app, go to profile, then add device. This is a unpaired Mi Band, and the only thing it is showing is in Chinese. I don't know what it is, but you have to just turn on your Mi Band and go to Zep Life profile and click add device. What type of device? This is a band. Okay, to pair device agree. I have nothing to do here. Okay, the phone is now asking me for the permission. Yes, Mi Band. My Mi Band has no QR code. It's only showing this pair sign. Okay, this is searching. This works like Bluetooth. Your device's phone's Bluetooth must be on. Okay, let's click yes on the band. Yep, my Zep Life app has found my Mi Band. As there is a previous profile of Mi Band, my Zep Life app is restoring that profile to this Mi Band. If you are a new user, then everything has to be done manually and for the first time. Okay, some introduction. Try now. Check for updates, no updates. Okay, that is it. This is how easily you can set up Mi Band on your phone. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, then let me know. Thank you.